Welcome to another episode of DIY Salt in the Garage with our favorite subject, the Simplicity Snow Blower. But the good news is I think we're done. All I gotta do tonight is put on the recoil that's sitting over here in my gas tanks. Because last time it busted, so what happened was the two little arms that are in here, one of them broke. I don't know the name of them. So what we're gonna do today is go ahead and put that on, button it up, and then that's it. I'm gonna tune it up a little bit and bring it into the shed, and I'm gonna call it a winter with this thing, so it should be done. Okay, here we go. Get my handy dandy tool. I can't tell you how sick and tired I am of taking this thing apart. But I've learned a lot. I really learned a lot. Number one is don't mess with the valves. Boy, I tell you, touch those valves, thing goes downhill. Oh, I need a screwdriver. Take this one off. Oh, now that I got that off, I can get the. Oh, but I think I can just get those off. Okay, let's get smart. Up she goes. All right. Yeah, let's. All right, let's go ahead and take this off. I'm watching a lot of really good guys, a lot of small engine mechanics, YouTube, Facebook. Boy, there's this one guy out of, I think, South Carolina. He is awesome. I mean, awesome. I'll see if I can get a link to his page below if you really want to see a good mechanic. You know, I won't say I'm a mechanic because, like I said, I break more than I fix. I think I do because I got to get to that, right? No. Because I put the screw, yeah. No. All right, let's see here. What was I saying? I literally just started working on any kind of engine this year, this winter, all because this baby broke. The transaction, listen to me. Transmission seemed like it blew on me, and you know, I freaked out because I'm like, oh no, I'm like, I still, you know, I had we called a guy to come in, see if he can look at this, and of course he was super busy, being that everybody was probably getting their snowblower worked on, since we had a pretty good winter here in Connecticut, where I live. This is what happened before. I was jimmying with it. I ended up breaking the cable. Should have been a quick, easy fix. I think we might be. Now, technically, because I'm going to drop this now, I should loosen this up and just get it out of the way. It's a heck of a lot easier. But I just don't feel like it. Snowblower wants to go to its summer resting point, and I want to put it there. Even though I love running my snowblower, I really do. I mean, when we get snowstorms, I am outside like all the time. I can't wait for it to pile up just so I can get outside and work. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, in case you haven't noticed, this cracked again. I gotta have my buddy weld it again. But I'm just gonna deal with it. I'm gonna leave it. Actually, you know what I'm probably gonna do? Because it's all one piece. It's all one piece. It's a bracket here, part of the muffler. So, you know what? I think, you know, maybe next season, before we start, I'll get a new muffler. And then that'll be it. So I don't have to worry about welding. Okay. See that? It wants to pull it. I don't know why it does that. Finally ran out of gas. Jeez. So I don't know why. I mean, I'm getting a little bit of popping still, and that cord wants to pull back on me all the time. I don't know why. It probably still has a lot of compression in there. Maybe the rings are shot. It could be that, or I should say shot. It wouldn't have run, right? But I do have high compression, and I think that's what's happening. So we're gonna leave it for now. We're gonna pick that up in the fall, and we'll see if we can figure out the compression problem in the fall. But until then, see ya.